Welcome to the video tour of the Digital Industry Building Center 4.0 or PIDI 4.0. The PIDI 4.0 building is located in Permata Hijau, South Jakarta. This building was built with 8 floors equipped with the best facilities to support related institution functions. That will help the industries in Indonesia transform into the 4.0 industrial era. On the first floor of the building, there are facilities for the Factory 4.0 model for food and beverage, packaging design, and also the Factory 4.0 model for automotive and mechanical engineering technology. This is what the lobby and factory model looks like on the first floor. On the second floor of the building, there are standard Tier 3 data center facilities and a command center which are all to support the operation of PIDI 4.0. The third floor of the building is used as a research service center equipped with 5 laboratories, namely Automation F&B Laboratory, Advanced Supply Chain Laboratory, Additive Manufacturing Laboratory, and Automation Electronic and Automotive Laboratory. On the fourth floor, PIDI provides space for several services such as test beds for quality parts and microelectronics controllers, brokerage research, as well as certification practices and skill assessments. To support the development of strong Industrial 4.0 human resources, PIDI 4.0 provides an integrated training and learning center that can accommodate up to 700 participants. This is the atmosphere in one of the PIDI 4.0 training rooms. As an ecosystem center, PIDI 4.0 also provides the 6th floor as a partnership working space for members of the PIDI 4.0 ecosystem and also Lighthouse Industry 4.0 in Indonesia. This is an office space atmosphere that is equipped with complete, comfortable, modern, and standard facilities. The 7th floor is the Management and Operational Office of the PIDI 4.0 building. Office spaces designed to optimize productivity at work but suitable for the following periods. This is the Management and Operational Office of PIDI 4.0 looks like on the 7th floor. Finally, on the 8th floor of the building, PIDI 4.0 provides co-working space facilities for industrial startup players combined with a breakout center as a place to relax, eat, and rest. This is the atmosphere of a breakout center and co-working space. The video tour of the PIDI 4.0 building has ended. See you on another occasion. Thank you.